Hello, my friend asking to me how to share file or document with Google Drive. In here, I have one PDF file that I want to upload and create shareable link in Google Drive. First, you must create Google account. If you ever create email with Gmail address, automatically you have a Google account also with Google Drive account. So you just open Google Drive address like this drive.google.com and then log in with your password. I will log in here. I'm sorry. After you are logged in, you can create a folder to make your document is TD. Okay, for example, document like this, and then you can create. Open your document folder and you can upload your file. For example, this is my file. After done, you can click your file that you just upload and choose main icon in here. Click Advanced, and this is the most important thing. You must change from private to public. Okay, click Save, and then you're ready to share your file. This is your link. Okay, done. Let's see your file. Okay, that's all. You can copy this and share with your friends. That's all tutorial how to create a shareable link with Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.